Find or read reviews that people are talking about Halybau 24-inch tower ceramic space heater with remote. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. More warmth. This 24-inch PTC space heater equipped with remote, an adjustable digital thermostat, LED display, and touch control, with 1500 watt ceramic heating element and 2 pieces 9-blade fan. Meanwhile, the thermostat functions will always adjust its output based in the temperature of the ambient it is in, while saving more on energy bills, keeping it cozy and comfortable all the time. More practical. This PTC space heater provides a wide-angle heating of around 120 degrees, providing you with a wide range of comfortable warmth and creating a personalized warmth angle suitable for living room, bedroom, kitchen, basement, garage, office, and more. More quieter. This PTC tower electric heater has a DC motor, what makes it extremely quiet. Works with a noise level down to 40 decibels, which allows you to work and sleep without being disturbed. More safe. This PTC heater designed with an electronic and more sensitive tip-over switch. The automatic overheat system can avoid the parts of the heater overheated. Tip-over protection. When tilting 45 degrees off the ground or being knocked over, the space heater shuts down automatically. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.